Narh, Captain Planet is 60% summoned. We just need two more fragrances, Wind and Heart. Please make it happen. Narh currently sells three fragrances, Prithvi, Agni, and Jal. I wanted to get all three, however, the price was a bit steep for me. Their 100 ml fragrances cost 5,400 rupees each, so I decided to get this discovery set instead, which is quite fancy and contains 20 ml bottles of all three for 2,700 rupees. Quite well priced for what you get. I'm not going to review all three in one go and instead do separate reviews for each. So, let's start with Kwame's Prithvi. Notes are going to be in the comments for this one. The opening is unique for sure. There's quite a bit going on and feels like a jolt to the system. In a good way, of course. Bergamot, leather, and saffron are the first notes to hit you, and this combination smells fresh, earthy, rich. The freshness here is enhanced by green apple. The creamy sweetness of caramel comes in early, and it confused me a bit initially because I hadn't smelt anything quite like this combination of notes so far, and I love it. I was a bit concerned with the middle notes and thought this EDP would get overly floral. However, it is a more powdery feel, which is quite comforting and reminds me of freshly washed linen. The marine in the top notes makes its appearance after about 10 minutes, which helps maintain the freshness and adds to that amazing sweet, earthy sensation. 15 to 20 minutes in, the creaminess is enhanced by Tonka, which is joined by musk, moss, and cedar. Cedar brings in the woodsy feel, and the musk is right because if it was a little over, it might have gotten unbearably animalic. The caramel Tonka sweetness keeps the earthy, leathery notes in check and doesn't let it get out of control. As you reach the dry down, what you are left with is the creamy, smoky, woody, powdery feel. The best way to describe this is a sweet oud vibe. Even if you aren't an oud fan, I'm sure you'll love this. This EDP lasts for a solid 6 to 8 hours and longer on clothes. I sprayed this on my tester strip on the 5th of August and it is still there today. Early morning and evening is when this fragrance works best. I highly recommend you get the discovery set to get you started and then decide which one works best for you. Like I said, the 5,400 rupees price tag for a 100 ml is a bit steep for me, and maybe I'm just spoiled with the way Indian fragrances are priced. That price aside, the Prithvi from Narh is a winner in my books. With that, we have reached the end of the first review of the Narh fragrances. Prithvi has set the bar high for Agni to reach. Will Agni keep the momentum going? You will find out soon. Till then, go planet!